Friends, last video we had discussed about organized and unorganized laborers. What was the features and what was the problems they are facing and what was the facilities they are getting and definitions. So these are the matters we had discussed in last video. So in this class, in this video we are discussing next one point, what was the problems facing by unorganized sectors laborers. If you are comparing organized and unorganized sectors, in unorganized sectors, they are facing so much of problems in our society, because of there is no fixed salary, fixed facility, or that particular sector is not organized or that is not registered with government. So in this way we can see some of the problems laborers facing in unorganized sectors. So what was the problems they are facing? Here in this class we are discussing there are specially 5 important problems facing by unorganized sectors peoples. So in that first one we are discussing first one important problem, that is migration. So about the migration we can discuss in the book of Footloosers. In that Footloosers book we can discuss about the problems of migration. So here we can see in organized sectors most of the laborers they migrating one place to another place, because they need social security and some sufficient money, salary. So in that purpose, and they need the job opportunity. So in that purpose people always they migrating one place to another place. Especially these type of migrations we can see in unorganized sectors. In organized sectors, these type of migrations we cannot see. People they are living in a permanent place because they getting sufficient salary, sufficient facilities. So in that purpose there is no problems in organized sectors, but in unorganized sectors we can see one of the important problem, migration. People they are not settled in a permanent place because they need the job opportunity. They want to move their lifestyle. They want to lead their life. So in that purpose, they migrating one place to another place. For example, we can see this like of in agriculture sector. Some of the peoples they are coming in out of the state or out of the districts also. We can see these like of laborers in plantations or estate, big estates we can see these like of laborers. So when they are getting the job, on the time they are coming and they settled in that particular place. After, if they are not getting the job in that place, they are migrating in another place. So when they are migrating one place to another place, when they went to one place to another place, when they left the particular place, they are facing one of the important problem, that is social security. Especially these like of social security problems we can see in unorganized sectors, because we already discussed this one also. When the people they are migrating one place to another place, because of they are going for the purpose of money, there is no any other objective, so they are going the purpose of money, they are migrating one place to another place. So when they are migrating, so on that time they are facing another problem, that is social security. That means now we want to know, after the problems of migration, that means second problems they are facing by unorganized sector, that is social security. So what was the problems they are facing in social security? So what was the problems based on social security? That only now we want to discuss. So here they are saying one of the important problems they are facing in unorganized sector laborers, that is social security. Means if any one person they want to live in a society, they need some of the basic things. Without these are the things we cannot live in that particular area, that particular society. For example, house or water facility. Here they given that like only health and food, drinking water, equal opportunity of the work. So these are the basic need for a human beings to lead their particular life. Without these things, he cannot live. So when the laborers they are migrating one place to another place, he facing the problem of social security, because he entered that particular society as a new, because of till he not live in that particular place, he don't know about the knowledge about that particular society, how to live, or where I want to get the facility. These are the matters he don't know. So that's why who are there in unorganized sectors, they are facing one of the important problem, that is social security. Because of there is no fixed salary, there is no fixed time, there is no special allowance. We can see so much of domination. So on this based in society also, they are not getting the security who are there in unorganized sectors. For example, any one person, first of all, he live in any, for example, in Andhra Pradesh. After that, he not get the job in that particular place. After he came for the work in Karnataka, so he came in new environment. He don't know knowledge about the environment of Karnataka, where I will get the facilities, or government facilities, or where I want to settle their lifestyle. These are the matters. He facing so much of problems. These like of problems. So this only we want to call as a social security. So this is also one of the important problem in unorganized sector. And third one here they given legal framework. So third one problems we are facing in unorganized sector, that is legal framework. Here in unorganized sectors we cannot see the legal framework of employees or employers, because of the institutions or organization of that sector that is not enrolled by the government. So on this based, government also did not control that particular sector. So who are the owner in that particular sector? They only government in that particular area. So on this based we can see here one of the important problem, that is there is no legal framework. For example, government they implemented Equal Wages Act. Means how much the work they are doing, that based we want to give the work, we want to give the wages, means salary, that also equally. Should not compare men or women, that like should not compare. We want to give equal salary, but there are so many of unorganized sectors, they are not following this one act. Here they are saying the act of Payment of Guarantee Act 1971. The government, central government, they implemented by Government of India, they implemented by Payment Guarantee Act in 1971. In that based, we want to give minimum wages for the laborers. But in unorganized sectors, they are not providing minimum wages to laborers. Now also still we can see how much they are giving the salary for men, that much of salary they are not giving for women in agriculture field. Still we are seeing these like problems. And next one problems here they are saying, fourth one, child labor. So this is one of the important problems we are facing in unorganized sector. This is one of the biggest and challengeable problem. Especially these one problems we are seeing in, especially in unorganized sector. So many of child laborers, they are working in the factory of where they given firecrackers productions. In that only so much of people they are working. And which children they are going for as a, they become as a child laborers who are semi-skilled, or here they are saying next one is they are saying and unskilled workers. So their children only we can see they came under in, or they are become as a child labor. So why these are the problems we are facing in unorganized sector? Because of the greediness of entrepreneurs or businessmen. And not only this one, here next one point also you are saying in child labor in, because of capitalists who are their workers or who are there giving the job opportunity, they have the some of the objective, that is special objective, that is they want to get more profit. So on that based, there are so many of unorganized sectors, still we can see they are using children in that particular work. So this is also one of the important problems we can see in unorganized sector. And last one here they given physical and mental exploitations. And fifth one problems we are facing in unorganized sector, that is physical and mental exploitation. This is especially in unorganized sector who is getting more these like of domination or discrimination, especially women's. So here they say most of the women are domestic helpers. Domestic helpers means they all are they are working in as a housewife. In Indian society we can see so many of women there are housewife, means they are doing domestic helpers. And next one point they say, and especially those people, those women they are working in domestic area, they only more exploiting in against of men. Who they are exploiting for them? Only men. So here they given, especially in 2014 to 2017 statistics they are given, means analysis. In that based 77% of the women they are unorganized sectors, and they only most of the women they exploiting. Who is here exploiting? Who are they giving the job opportunity? Especially men category. They exploiting so much for women. Here they given analysis also, 77% of the women they are working in unorganized sector, especially those women only they are under in discrimination. So these are the 5 points about the problems are facing by unorganized sector. One is migration, second one is social security and legal framework, child labor, last one physical and mental exploitations. So these are the important points about unorganized sector. So next class we can discuss about next lesson. Okay, thank you.